Hello, everybody. For this week, Gabe and I, he's back from vacation, by the way, we put our heads together and we're like, what have we been doing? Let's go in the opposite direction. So we've been doing a lot of hyper shifts. The past 3 or 4 videos, actually, we've been staying away from hyper shifts. We wanted to keep that train going. I feel like we've been doing a lot of greens, a lot of golds, a lot of that kind of vibe. So on the other side of that coin would be like blues, purples, and things. So right here is a beautiful color called Poison Grape. It fits the STI wonderfully. Super deep, super saturated. We wanted to put something on top of Poison Grape that maybe shouldn't go on top of it and just see what happens. So we looked at a whole bunch of different pearls. Again, no greens, no golds. What we came with is Bora Bora. Guys or people who've been around the channel for a long time may remember Bora Bora over Flex Blue, an amazing color combo we did like 5 or 6 years ago. This is an interesting pearl. Let me show you this powder. It is really, really cool. Teal, blue, green, awesome. Super small particle, flows really nice, has a lot of awesome transition to it. So Bora Bora over Poison Grape is the combo today. And you know how I know that we're onto something here? Some glossy top coat. What got me excited about this video is right before we hit record, Gabe looked at the color combo and he goes, I have no idea how this is going to turn out, which is good because we never really want to know. So here's 10 grams of Bora Bora. We're going to cut this like we always do, so we're going to end up with a 5 gram per gallon load. Last week's video, I will admit, the olive honey over the gunmetal, I used too much pearl. I had a 12.5 gram per gallon load. I really should have been 5 grams per gallon. So we're not making that mistake again. We're going 5 grams per gallon on this one. And if you look at the beaker here, there's a lot going on. Some deep blues, some beautiful greens. What is it, teal or turquoise? Or yeah. There's a lot. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you here on the stick of truth. Well, don't say gold because we said we were staying away from golds. All right, so, well, yeah, there's definitely green. There's definitely some blue. This should look freaking awesome over the Poison Grape. I'm excited. Are you excited? Gabe said very. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. Now, 5 grams per gallon, 3 coats on top of the Poison Grape. This came out perfect. Just the right amount of color, just the right amount of transition, saturation off the charts. I think it looks awesome. Gabe came outside and looked at it and goes, this color fits this car perfectly. and I agree. Now, I know in the beginning of the video I said we wanted to stay away from those golds and greens. What I should have said was a lot of the hyper shifts and the pearls like olive honey have that really strong gold green flair to it. And we wanted to stay away from that. This car does have green effects, of course, but luckily nothing like any of those other cars. That's what happens when you don't use a script with this stuff. Sometimes you say things and it makes sense, and sometimes it doesn't. But you guys are gonna see exactly what I mean. We're gonna take it outside right now, rate this car in the comment section below 1 through 5. I'm really interested to see what you guys think of this color combo. If you wanna dip your own car, click right up here. We have a ton of kits to choose from, everything to help you dip your emblems, your wheels, and your whole car. I had so much fun on this project. I'll see you on the next video.